everyone, this is Leena Moon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's going to be a very interesting day because I'm going to my farm which is located at Tarodi in Nagpur. I want to spend my time in such a place where there is a greenery, no pollution, no noise. Welcome to Tarodi Khurd Farm. As soon as you enter the farm, here is a place of Ghode Deva, that is horse god. People come here and worship. I will tell you later why people come to this place and worship. He is doing half of my job. I see a lot of changes over here. You see the road right now, its construction is in the progress. Cotton plants. These are cotton plants you are seeing right now. Look, it has white colors balls on it. The apartments you are able to see, they are belong to Prime Minister Housing Scheme, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. I didn't notice these apartments before, but what I can see, the apartments they built very soon. Lot of changes over here. There was not such kind of development before, but now it is seen that there is a lot of development going on. Come this way. Spending time in the farm means a lot of fun. Small tanks are filled with water. Is for the cows to drink. Stand near the bullock. Go and stand. Yeah, left and right. have come to the location where lots of Jhandu plants are cultivated. These plants are going to be bigger and also get lots of flowers. Too many flowers to grow.
Wow! Candy sticky.
I see tomato plants. These tomatoes are not fully ripe.
आद्या तिथे थांब.
Now you come forward. तर तुम्ही सावलीत बसा बरं. Come forward.
या आद्या. आई. ऑफ.
Wheat cultivation is also done here. White birds.
झाडाला इजा नाही करायची.
Hello everyone. Look at this. Bee. Bees.
These white birds. You know the name of birds? White colored feathers and yellow colored beak. Crane. They are crane. Yeah, I correctly identified them as crane. Yeah, look, they started flying. They scared of me. As soon as I go near them, they started flying.
These all are pet animals.
हो ते मला माहिती आहे. Cows pet animals.
Here we.
माझ्या मागे काऊ आहे.
Oh, so cute. So cute.
हात लावून बघ. हात लावू.
ते घाबरत आहे माहिती. स्माईल.
Smile.
ते घाबरत आहे. ए शिंग मारणार भाग.
आहे शिंग नाही आहे रे त्याला.
And you know, cow is pet animal. And
अजून पाण्यात.
आपण ते
Water is coming out from many places through this pipe. Let me wash my hand. already know what this plow is used for. It is made up of iron and wood. This is an agricultural tool with sharp blades attached to bullock or tractor for turning over the earth. Both of you stand near this plow, left and right. Left and right. Stand. Now it's time to eat something. Jendu flowers.
कुठे आहे झेंडू प्लांट दाखव ग्रीन
There is more to explore. This is a large area of wheat cultivation.
जमीन आहे ना जमीन पण घेशील
हे पकड
This is a small river. You see a bridge over the river. In ancient times, this river water was given to plants. These apartments that you can see, as I said earlier, this is the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. There is no shortage of water over here as 3 wells have been dug. You see the half-cut tree? It was a huge mango tree. We used to pluck mangoes in our childhood. I don't know why this happened, but it was heard that it was a very old mango tree, more than 100 years old. This is the covered tree. We called it wood apple tree. This big tree has laden with many fruits. You see? Their shells are tough from outside and semi-soft from inside. How to pluck it, but
आणि ते बडी मम्मीला मिळालं बडी मम्मीला मिळालं बडी मम्मीला वाटलं की हे वरून
now it's time to go back. I promised you that I will tell you the story of Ghodedeva. In the past, there used to be a wetland. We called it Daldal because there is a river here on the side too. In olden days, one man, by sitting on his horse, was going on this path, and here in the same place, he got stuck in the Daldal, and he died with his horse. They both died. After that, people built a small temple by the name of Ghodedeva at this place. The top part of this temple is broken down. Still, people come here and worship. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. Bye.